Hi guys, so I'm here at Toys R Us, 32nd Avenue Northeast, Calgary, Alberta. So I was just like checking what kind of stuff or Hot Wheels do they have here. So as you can see, they do have this Team Transport from Chevy. And then the other one, I already showed you this one last time. And I don't think they do have much of stuff here or new stocks. So a friend of mine told me that they do have an LWK Team Transport here, I think 2 days ago. So what I did was like try to check it and see if I can grab some. And I think some scalpers beat me to it already. All the main lines that I wanted to pick up as well are not there anymore, I guess. I think it is what it is. So might as well, if you see something that you need or wanted to pick up like this bone shaker here, you can go to Toys R Us at 32nd Avenue Northeast. And if you're looking for some car culture, I think they do have bunch in this one as well. Like they do have the Miata, they do have the Volkswagen as well, they do have the Fiat. I think that's the only thing that you can see here. If you haven't have this one on your collection, come pick it up here. There's a bunch, as I've told you. And I think I'm gonna try going back here tomorrow or Friday, as I think they're restocking all the stuff every Thursday or Friday maybe, or I'm gonna try weekend as well. I was just like hoping that we can find something. And then there's another set of car culture here. You can see the BMW, there's the McLaren, the Lamborghini. They also have this one like the Porsche, BMW. I think that's mostly it from this store. And I saw a bunch of hot wagons and then the ultra hots collection if you wanted those kind of stuff. So yeah guys, I'm gonna leave you already so you can enjoy browsing all the Hot Wheels that I'm gonna showcase you in this video. See you again. Bye.